Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create upside down effect in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template, right? Now we are going to elements and here we are just searching for mountain travel, okay? And here you will find some good images, right? So we are going to photos and for example let us select this one, and this one is also nice, right? So whatever the photo you want, you can simply select that particular photo, right? You can also select this one. Let's delete this and add it over here, right? Now we are going to bring it little bit down, right? And here we are just going to again elements and search for buildings. Okay, now we are going to remove the background, rotate it 180-degree angle. We are going to increase the size, right? Send it back, triple dot, layer, send backward, wait, Control Z. We are going to duplicate this page for some more good things. Going to remove this, click on share, download, current page only, PNG, right? And then download. Okay, we are at the uploads and here upload file and upload that downloaded image. Okay, open, and now we are going to place this image over here, right? In this, going to remove the background, set it of same size. Okay, now the hand is like this building image is behind this hand, right? So we are going to elements again and search for white fog, and here in the graphics we will find some good white fog, right? We can reduce its transparency as well and duplicate it, put some fog over here as well, and click on triple dot, layers, and backward, right? First, okay, and we are also going to send it backward, right? So in this manner you can simply create upside down image using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.